Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can split or trim videos on Canva apps. So in here, I have this video added into my my Canva, and I want to trim it or shorten the duration. So if you want to do the same, here's what you're going to do. So click on the video in here on the canvas and swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you find this scissors icon. Click on that and you can see the current duration is 14 seconds, and if you want to trim it, you can just drag the purple on the edges in here. For example, I'm going to just shorten or trim the beginning and also the end like this, and I'm going to make it only 5 seconds. Now that's it. You can just close it now, and now your videos will be trimmed. You can see the duration is now changed into 5 seconds only. So that's pretty easy, and I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.